Coming up, I will help you make the difficult choice of which social media networks are the best for you and your company with these 3 simple yet powerful tips. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royce. I am a knowledge enthusiast. I love working with digital marketers like you and to share my knowledge of digital marketing. On this channel, I would provide you with weekly tips on how you can grow your digital marketing career. How do you choose the right social media channels for your business? What is the best fit for your brand? What social media platforms can help with lead generation? It can be a difficult choice to determine what social media channels are best for your company. Social media marketing is one of the most important things that companies can do to improve the customer experience, grow brand awareness, and share their key messages. It has become an essential marketing tool. Yet social media is difficult because it can be a moving target. After all, social media channels are changing all the time. Plus, new platforms are popping up all the time. Choosing what social media platforms are correct for your company is one of the biggest challenges marketers face with social media marketing. How do you focus your efforts on the right social media outlets with limited resources? There are 3 ways you can choose the right social media channels. Let's dive in. Number 1, where does your target audience hang out online? What social media channels do they use? Who are the people that are most likely interested in your products and services? What does Google Analytics say about what social media channels visit your website? You could also go to your top competitors' websites and find out what social media channels they use. It would help to go where the conversation is happening about your products and services and where your target audience likes to hang out online. Figuring out the social media channels of your target audience will help you determine where you should have a social media presence. You don't have to be on every social media network. It would be best if you were on the ones that matter to your target audience. You must build a community around your content and encourage a 2-way conversation about topics that your brand helps with. Number 2, what does the demographic data say? The next step is to determine the demographics of your target audience, such as their age, job title, income, education, location, and their digital body language. Demographic data can be helpful to pick the proper social media channels for your company. For example, if you are a B2B or business-to-business company, you will consider LinkedIn first because many B2B decision makers and influencers use LinkedIn. According to Statista, 56% of LinkedIn users are male, while 43% are female. Additionally, about 60% of LinkedIn users are 25 to 34 years old. If you want to know what other B2B companies think of LinkedIn, according to eMarketer, LinkedIn has the largest share of B2B display advertising in the United States at 32.3%. Suppose you're a business to consumer or a B2C company. In that case, you may want to consider Pinterest because 85% of pinners use Pinterest to plan new projects. And pinners are 70% more likely to engage with product tags in scenes. The bottom line is that about 82% of Americans between 18 and 49 years old use at least one social media channel. Number 3, how does your content fit? The last part of the puzzle is how your content aligns with the social media channel. This will help you find out what social media platforms your brand should be on. For example, if your brand doesn't do creative dance videos, it's not a good fit for TikTok. If you're a B2B company, YouTube and LinkedIn are good options for your target audience to watch your videos. In contrast, a B2C company would be suited to promote their videos on Instagram or Facebook. If your company doesn't have a lot of good visual content, then Instagram is not for you. If your brand is looking to comment on the news of the day, then Twitter would be your best bet. A company must publish content consistently to produce results on social media. If your brand has limited resources, then determine what social media channels require less content to be successful through tactics like content curation, a tactic to share other people's content and add your brand's perspective. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. Picking the right social media platform for your business can be a difficult choice. If you determine where your target audience hangs out online, what the demographic data says, and how your content fits will help you determine which platform is best for your company. Thank you for watching. Until next time.